we will be discussing about the concept which is related with the various types of the internal and the external factors which influence your business. That is the surroundings of the business. So when we are talking about the surrounding of the business, we know this thing that when we are living in this natural phenomena, we have got some natural substance like air, water, plants, vegetations. So these are all the surroundings which are nearby around us. So we call that as an environment. So related with the same concept, we will be talking about various types of factors, that is the internal and the external factors which are directly or indirectly having the influence on our business. So today we will be discussing about the concept of the business environment and the importance of the business environment. When we are talking about the concept of the business environment is the sum total of all the internal and the external factors which influence your business. This is the sum total of all the internal and the external factors. Internal factors like the policies of the management, when we are talking about this thing, that comes in the internal factor. External factors like the political scenario, economic scenario, changes in all those things. So these are some of the external factors. Internal factors are also known as micro environment because we have certain control over those environment when we are talking as a part of management. And when we are talking about the external factor, those are macro environment which we cannot control. If there are any changes, then we have to adapt ourselves with those changes. But in internal factor, we can make some control on those type of things which are related to the internal factors like the management policies, employees dissatisfaction related with knocks, strikes, है ना, lockouts, all these things. तो ये सारी चीजें आपका एक इंटरनल फैक्टर और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर इन सबको मिला करके एक जो एनवायरनमेंट बनता है, दैट इज नोन एज अ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. एंड why there is the importance of business environment? When we are talking about the importance of business environment, so what role does it play? Why we have to observe the environment? हमें अपने आसपास के वातावरण में या बिजनेस में क्या बदलाव हो रहे हैं, why we have to observe all those things? This we have tried to explain with the help of few of the points that why it is important. Okay? So when we are talking about the business environment, it is that for the existence of the business for the long term period, the proper adherence of the business environment is necessary. We have to follow the environment, because if we have to exist for the business in a long term period, we have to run the business, then we have to see this thing that what are the various type of changes which are taking place, and we have to follow those changes. Let's say for an example, if the government has banned the use of plastic, so what we have to do, we have to find out the alternative ways and methods, and then we have to go and make the use of those alternative ways and methods. So we have to make the use of some eco-friendly material to make some bags so that we can give the material in those bags. So this is one of the things that when we are following this type of things made by the government or the rules made by the government, then we can run the business for a long term period. And when we are making the use of the eco-friendly bags, the people will also be coming to us, and they will also feel this thing that we are the businessmen who want to protect this environment. Okay, so for a long term they will be attached with us, and there will be the bonding between the organization and the customer for a long term period. Then comes image creation, the building of image. Okay, if we are following the principles, let's say the environmental factors in the proper manner, then what will happen? We will be able to make the use of the various changes which are taking place. Let's say there is a change in the technology, and we have to adapt ourselves with the change in that technology. So if we are making the use of the latest technology which is providing the quality material and also the technologies which are not creating any harm in the society, which are not creating a lot of pollution in the environment, so it creates a good image of the reputation of the organization in the market, because we are following the things with the changes and we are adopting those changes. तो ये भी एक कारण है. Creation of congenial atmosphere. The congenial atmosphere or the healthy atmosphere will be created. Tension-free atmosphere will be there. If the government has laid down some policies, let's say that you are not supposed to make the use of the plastic bags. So when we are not making the use of the plastic bag, then we can do the business without any tension. But if we are violating that rule and we are still making the use of the plastic bag which is being banned by the government, so that will be treated as an unfair practice which we are doing, and every now and then there will be the interference of the government in our business. So in order to avoid this type of interference, we are following the things that we are following the rules and the regulation, because we have gone through the business environment carefully and we know this thing that these type of changes are taking place in the environment and we have to follow those changes. Then comes management sensitivity. Sensitivity of the management towards the environmental issues. Here we are talking about this thing. The management keeps a strict watch on the various types of changes which are taking place. If there are the changes which are taking place in the environment, then the management will take the right decision at the right time and will try to adopt those type of changes which are taking place in the business environment, so that the business may not suffer the losses. So this things makes management more sensitive. So when the management is taking the interest in the nearby surroundings, what is taking place in the business environment, so they become sensitive and they take the right type of decision. Then come the strategic planning. The business environment, the study of business environment also help us in making the various type of strategic planning. ये हमको अपनी strategies decide करने में भी help करता है. If we know this thing that the prices of the competitive products are going to be decreased, या वो कुछ ऐसा करने वाले हैं ultimately which will have the effect on the business which we are doing, so we have to see that thing and we have also to change the policies and we have to make the new strategies so that our product will continuously be sold in the market. And this we can do when we have studied this thing that the competitors are changing their strategies, their plans, and they are reducing the price of the product in order to increase their sale. So we have to think in the same manner also. And here what we can do in order to increase the sale of the product, we will be putting more effort at how we will be increasing the sale. We will reduce the cost, but the efforts now will be there to increase the sale of the product so that we can earn the same amount of profit which we were earning at present. So this will take place only if we will be very agile and if we will know this thing that what are the changes which are going to take place. Then we come to the concept related with research and development. When we are talking about the research and development, the continuous research helps you in doing the various type of developmental or innovative activities. When the two competitors are in the market, so what they are doing, they are continuously doing the research. Let's say for example Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, when the ad was being published and there they have made the use of the concept that is Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola. That means if you want a freshness, if you want to feel fresh, if you want something chill, so you have to make the use of Coca-Cola. And on the same hand, another company that was Pepsi, when Pepsi said this thing, so see this thing, so they have also done some activities and they have supported the Indian cricket team by preparing a special type of soft drink, the bluish type of soft drink, which was reflecting the blue color of the Indian team, Indian cricket team, in order to support them. So in order to increase the sale of the product, this type of innovative activities are being done, and this will take place when we will be continuously doing the research and then we will develop the things according to the research what we have done. Identifying the threats and early warning signal. The business environment study also help us in identifying the various threats, and we can take the steps in order to meet out those threats. ये ऐसे कई सिग्नल्स हमें देती है कि भविष्य में आगे कौन कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं, किस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है, एंड हाउ वी विल बी एबल टू मेक द यूज ऑफ हाउ वी विल बी एबल टू मेक द various types of techniques or various types of plan in order to avoid those types of problem. Example, they have said this thing that if you come to know about this thing that there is one more retail outlet which is going to be opening very shortly near you, so what you have to do, you have to be very careful and see this thing that your sales should not decrease, and what are the various types of strategic changes or the changes in the planning you have to make in order to see this, that the store which is opening near you, whenever it comes, it will be coming with some of the new things, some of the new offers. So you have to meet those challenges and you have to make yourself acquainted with those things, and you have to adopt the various types of plannings, various types of strategies in order to meet those challenges. Then comes availing the first mover advantage. Now if you are carefully studying your business environment, you will come to know this thing that there is a change which is going to take place. Let's say for an example, we have said that government will ban the plastic. So when there will be the ban on the plastic bag, the government has said this thing that you have to make the use of the eco-friendly bag or the cloth bag, and for this, for certain time period, the government will be making the supply of the cloth. So you can take the advantage of this thing and you can get that cloth at the subsidized rate because it will be supplied for a limited time period only. But that thing will take place only if you know this thing that this type of changes are going to take place. And when you will know this thing, when you will be carefully observing your business environment. So the careful observation of the business environment will definitely help the businessman in getting the various types of benefits, and you will be able to cope up with the situation. You will be able to make the use of the various technology or the latest changes. That means you will be able to adopt those things, and you will be able to face the competition in the market. Hope the concept of business environment is clear to you, and what is the importance of business